Hi, I'm Ricky Castro with the National Weather Service in Chicago. It's about 3 p.m. on Saturday, July 26th. Thanks for joining me for this multimedia briefing. I'm going to take the next couple minutes to bring you up to date on the latest forecast information concerning the potential for some severe storms this evening into the early overnight hours. If any severe storms do occur, the main threats would be large hail, damaging winds, or localized flooding. And the primary threat area is south of Interstate 80, but especially and most likely to be mainly well south of I-80 down in central Illinois and Indiana. Timing would be primarily this evening through the early overnight hours. And the good news for the metro area forecast for the Chicago area, most if not all of the area likely to remain primarily dry through this evening and the overnight hours, with maybe a few isolated showers possible late this afternoon and only minimal at best threat for strong to severe storms this evening south of I-80. In the Rockford area, only a few isolated showers possible late this afternoon, then dry this evening and overnight. Primary severe threat areas, again, well south of Interstate 80, down in central Illinois and central Indiana, with only some threat north of there and only a minimal threat closer to the Chicago area. Looking at the timeline for areas south of Interstate 80, and again, this would mainly be for areas well south down in central Illinois and Indiana. From 6 p.m. to 1 or 2 a.m. Central Time is when the highest likelihood of the potential for some strong to severe storms, and with maybe some lingering scattered activity after that. And the potential impacts would be large hail, damaging winds, torrential downpours, local flooding, and frequent clouds or ground lightning if any severe storms do occur. For threat confidence levels, they've pretty much decreased since earlier today, and now we're only looking at a lower confidence level of actually seeing some severe storms capable of producing damaging winds and large hail, and we're not expecting any tornado activity with any severe storms that do occur this evening. And it's always good to remain prepared for severe weather, have a plan to be prepared to use it, and also even non-severe storms are hazardous due to the threat for lightning, and if you can hear thunder, you are in danger. Get to a safe place immediately. It's about 3 p.m. on Saturday, July 26th. Thank you for joining me for this multimedia briefing. Forecast information can change later this evening, so be sure to check back at our website, weather.gov/Chicago, for the latest information. And always stay tuned to No Weather Radio and local media for any watches, warnings, or advisories that may be issued.